Alright, so this time we have the master lock. This is a 380D laminated lock. This one was the bane of my existence for quite some time. This is one of the first locks that I ever really tried to open. But I can usually reliably open this one up fairly simply now. This one's tough because the first pin is the first one that sets, and you have to set it very lightly. Which can be a little troublesome when you start going to the back pins. There's the first click. Now 2 is binding. Slight click at 2. That's better. Going to 3. Oh, we may have overset. This lock can be a little bit finicky. Yeah, we've lost all feeling in the first 2 pins. We're going to reset, try again. Again, that first pin is the first one that sets. There it is. There's 1. 2 is binding. I think 2 is set. Go to 3, and there it is. And now we've got it. Yeah, this is a tricky little lock. That first pin barely takes any movement to set. So when you start going into pins 2 and 3, it really likes to overset if you're not careful, but that's the 3DD.